So y'all, I'm finna try these frosted crispy treats. I never saw these. I don't think they knew, but they knew to me because I never saw them. So I'm finna try them today. Did they glue this down? What? Why they glue it down like that? Like, dang, they made sure this box wasn't getting open. Yeah. I love Rice Krispies. I've never had frosted can. And I got me some ice cold milk that was in the freezer. They don't look frosted, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see. So this is what we trying today, y'all. I'm gonna put it on this side. Okay. Put the milk back in the freezer. I don't like my milk. My milk to be warm. I like it to be extra cold. Extra cold. Let's see, y'all. They're good. It's not frozen milk. It was just in the freezer. It ain't froze though. Hey, everybody, react to the video, send some positive comments in the comment section, and share if you want to. Why would you do that? Why would you come around that way? That ain't funny. He's trying to scare me. I didn't know who you was. I see somebody walking around there. I'm like, what the? You wild for that.
Yeah, that's $10 I got for $10. Talking about coming get them at 1.
At 1?
Yeah.
She at home?
Nah. She thought when nobody there. I told her the kids was there. The kids was there.
You up there trying to scare somebody.
I want you to scare you. I'll just didn't want to go through.
You got one pop?
I mean, this.
Oh. Quantity, that look like a big bowl. Ice cube half for the cereal. This bowl is not that big. I don't know why y'all think it's that big. Hand me a,
Huh?
it just looks like that. It's not a big bowl.
What?
Hand me a, the strainer so I can show them. This bowl is not big.
What strainer?
Next to the strainer. Up under that over there. The other drawer. Not that one. The other one. See the strainer. The bowl could fit inside of there. This bowl is not big. It's a regular bowl. Talking about the bowl. Ice Cube bowl, he had one of them big old mixing bowls. This is nothing but a little glass round bowl. Happy Easter from Louisiana. She's still getting up sleepy. I can eat 2 bowls or even 3 of Rice Krispies cereal. Who? No.
I was like, nah.
She don't got no room.
It's only 2 bed.
Mm-mm. No, ma'am.
Yeah, I gotta take them back. Cause they ain't got no bill.
Well, he coming through.
Yeah.
Right, he don't get no, This ain't that. Not that, baby.
Hey, drive right there at night. That shit back there.
If they spending the night, now, what we gotta drive back for?
What they gonna afford?
I mean, right.
Unless the big kid, but
They gotta go, cause there's no room for that. I'm putting up for a slice of banana, putting it look good, bust, and happy Easter. Thank you. Is it hot outside?
yeah.
You need a water. Get one. Why you so sleepy, girl? You act like you was up turning up last night or something. You can't wake up. Go lay back down then. She was up all night. No, she went to bed early, remember? Well, not early, but she went to bed before they did.
Yeah.
And then she went laid on the couch. She was like, I'm sleepy. And went laid on the couch. Now she needs some water to wake up. I want to leave that door open because it's already a little net in here. I'm not going to get some more on there. Hey, how you doing, Rhea? You want some cereal, Mama? Huh? No. What you doing with your water? Put it in the, you want it to be cold? Put it in the freezer. So what you doing with it? Happy Easter. I don't understand what you're saying.
What?
Go in the bedroom and get a towel and wash your face. You're not going to use no bottled water. Put it in your face. Go. Girl. You look ready for what? Y'all done cooking or y'all ain't cooking? For Easter. Or y'all going to y'all family house? This page is extra shadow banned.
What page is that?
Miss Quan Monroe. The one on we going live on. You just started cooking. You said no, not done at all.
Some cereal?
I'm almost done.
Hmm. Hmm.
I just gotta make my the lasagna. I'm not cooking nothing. I've been so sick. Hope you feel better. I'm making fried chicken, cabbage, macaroni and cheese, and red velvet cake. That sounds good.
You got the ball back?
You made 30 pounds of, huh? What? Can you take that meat out the sink for you? Bring something in there. Put it in a pan or something on that tray over there. Yeah, tray over there. That silver tray. I'm making some cabbage and smoked turkey meat, some lasagna, and some potato salad. And my husband making some ribs and some chicken on the grill. And then I made a pot roast for my daughter and some macaroni. Vegas got a lot of good restaurants, but you just have to look it up on TikTok to find out the reviews, give reviews from different people. Cause it's either hit or miss. That's what I normally do. I look on TikTok for restaurants wherever I go, and they have a lot of different stuff on there. Alejandra. Alondra. I hope I said your name right. Alondria. So I'm basically making salads. This cereal is good.
What, the frosted Krispies?
Mm-hmm. It tastes better than Frosted Flakes.
What here?
I'm tired. I think I'm gonna lay down for a few minutes and get back. Oh, it's 12:01. Dang.
Yeah, it's
I'm not even gonna lay down.
I got some push.
You say you done with your cereal? What? Is them eggs boiling, Twan?
Yeah.
If they look like they done,
I mean, they know water.
turn it off. I don't want it to take them off. Did they crack open?
Nope.
Okay, cause I need to get 2 of those eggs out there for the kids. Cause I made them 2 of their other eggs cracked open. Huh?
Which one was this? This right here?
Yeah. Girl, TikTok done started me wrong so many times, but I look at the reviews. Girl, I can't really just give out a lot of restaurants in Vegas because I don't really know a lot of restaurants in Vegas. I just know the restaurants that I went to. And I only went to like a brunch spot, a steak spot, a hot dog spot, and that was like in a, what was it at? That was like in the, what is it? On the Strip. But Vegas has a lot of restaurants. They got a seafood restaurant there called, Shaking Crab. I think it's called Shaking Crab. They got some good seafood. If you like seafood. And we went to a steakhouse called Carver Steakhouse. They was good, but they really expensive. Other than that, I didn't really go to too many restaurants. So, I don't really know. And I only been to Vegas twice, so I really can't just all back remember all the spots I went to. But TikTok normally shows some good restaurants. That's why whenever I go out of town, I always use TikTok. That's how I find restaurants. I just type in what I'm looking for, like work spot, soul food restaurant, and it pops up for me, and it be decent. But I go down and look at all the videos. I click on the name of the restaurant, and I look at all the reviews. So you got to do that sometime. But I just wanted to go live on this page because I'm never on here, y'all. So, but right, that's what I said. This page. That's because I don't ever go live over here. I don't know, these house shoes, I probably should have got them bigger. It's hurting the back of my foot. A little bit.
Real style.
But alright, y'all. I'll be back later on my other page. I just want to go live over here for today. I'll talk to y'all later.
Some beef?
Some
beef?
Yeah, they beef. Alright, normally the beef don't have meat on it. It be the pork that have meat on it.
Alright.
Alright.